Tired of networking courses that feel like they're from the dial-up era? What if you could get CCNA certified on your terms with a course that actually fits your life? Stop scrolling, because this is the game changer you've been looking for. Welcome to DH Academy, where we're revolutionizing how you learn networking. We know you're busy, so we've designed our CCNA course to be as flexible as you need it to be. Want to learn at your own speed with guidance from an expert instructor? Our self-paced option is perfect for you. Or do you thrive in a live, interactive environment? Join our online instructor-led classes and get your questions answered in real time. Best part, our mobile app lets you take your lessons anywhere, even offline. Waiting for a coffee? On your commute, you can be mastering subnetting right from your phone. Stop putting your career on hold. It's time to invest in yourself with a course tailored to your success. Let's build your future in IT together. DH Academy, accelerate your potential.